Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I apologize for not doing a video on my new house. I'm in the garage right now, so hopefully when I get a chance, I will do a video on my new place. It took me months to get my shit put away, finally. So, oh yeah, sorry if you heard that meme. But yeah, let's get to the focus of this now. Now that I'm in my breezeway, you hear my hubby talking about a baby kitty. And tomorrow is my 12th year of my anniversary, so yeah. And then today I had just colored my hair red. So no, you didn't have to say that. Oh my god. Oh wow. But tomorrow, if I have the time, I will. Why are we so sorry. But tomorrow I will walk around my house tomorrow when I'm in a better shape. Right now I am in not the best shape right now. So tomorrow, like I said, I will walk through my house tomorrow and I will show you around what I got done finally. And yes, I have no longer live in a trailer. Thank God for that. Tomorrow I'm also going to show you around my backyard. It's pretty big, bigger side of the yard. I have pennies. I keep wanting to say pennies. But I do have pennies running. I have a really good spray in the backyard. And then I got one. So yeah, let's get to this point, and like I said, I will do more posting on this video later for tomorrow, and I will walk you all through the house. Like hopefully when I'm better tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna be spending a lot of time with my hubby tomorrow, so yeah, it's gonna be our 12th year anniversary, so kind of bear with me, and I will hopefully do more videos tomorrow on YouTube on my channel. So yeah, see you guys later and enjoy. Bye. Bye.